Hello, beautiful people. What is up? I am back again. I'm back again, and I'm so excited to be back. Hey! And yeah, this time, as you can tell by the title, it's an important video, very important. So let's get started. If you know who I am, my name is Raven, aka That's a Raven, duh. No, I'm just kidding. No, Raven. And this channel, I do I would say almost everything on this channel that you guys want me to do. Any videos that you want me to do, again, let me know down below, because I need video ideas from you guys, because you're the ones that subscribe to my channel. So I will do it, because I'm like all for it. I'm bored. I'm always at home mostly. But yeah, so let's get started. So like I said, as you can tell by the title, mask is all about, this title is all about different masks and whatnot. My mask collection, which I have a lot. And before all of this went on, I wasn't like a bandana or a scarf, which was fine. Then I started switching to mask, which is even better. So especially with what's going on, I'm like, I want to keep myself safe, everybody else safe that's around me. Yeah. Literally, it's like this whole thing of masks, my mask collection that I have, so, which is a lot, and it's good enough. So let's start off with, sorry if I'm like sniffing, I'm not sick, I have allergies. And my hair is poofy because it always gets poofy. This is my real hair. It always gets poofy because, especially with this coldness, with the cold, it always gets poofy. I don't know. Hit me down below. Comment down below if it's the same with your hair, where it gets like poofy in the cold all the time. Let me know, because I want to know. So anywho, grab a chill, let's go back to the mask. So the first one that I'm going to pull out of my mask collection basket thing is the typical basic blue white print mask, which is very convenient. You can get these anywhere, guys. You can literally get them anywhere. Like, you can literally get them anywhere. You can even get this at the Dollar Tree. They have them at the Dollar Tree, CVS. I think they have them at gas stations. I'm not sure, but they also have Rite Aid, Walgreens, grocery stores. They have these. So this is like the basic, easy mask to go over like this. Yeah. So next thing I want to talk about is makeup. My opinion, advice. I mean, it's up to you. This is just my opinion and advice to give it to you guys. Especially with wearing any mask like this or any of them. I've learned not to wear like lipstick, because the lipstick will get on the mask easy, and I'm like, dang it. So it's up to you if you want to wear lipstick, whether it's stay on lipstick or whatever. It's up to you, baby. So I also found out wearing eyeshadow, makeup looks is bomb. It's also trending to wear eyeshadow on your eyes with the mask, because obviously when people see you, whether you're in public, when people see you in public or wherever you're going, obviously they're gonna see your eyes, right? So you want to make sure your eyes are like bam, damn thing, even if it's a little eyeliner or a little bit of eyeshadow. When I run errands, I literally have like a teeny bit of eyeshadow on with some eyeliner on, because I want to make sure my eyes are like boom, bam, damn thing, like awake, like I'm wide awake, like that, wide awake. I'm wide awake. Yeah. So you want to make sure you have at least something on your eyes, because people see your eyes. Don't forget that. People will see your eyes. So your eyes are like the very important thing. Your eyes are the most important thing. So yeah. And the basic, like I said, the basic mask is this one. One which everybody was trying to get, literally, from what I know, and a lot of people are trying to get this mask. This mask is really, really good. It does block like a lot of stuff, like dust. It does block a lot of dust. It does block more particles, everything like that, from what I know. This is like a doctor mask. I think it's like a surgeon mask or whatever it's called. But somebody gave this to me, and it was like brand new when this whole thing first started. Somebody gave this to me. Thank you, Jesus. I got blessed to get this. But I have this mask. If I do feel like I want to wear it, I will wear it. This mask is really good. So, oh, this is what I look like with it on. Let me put it on. And it has like on the, oh, it's kind of dirty. Whatever. So this is what I look like with it on. And sometimes I tuck it. Sometimes I tuck this part if I don't want it, but you get the picture. Yeah, so tuck this in and everything like that. Goes on the nose right here, on the rim right here. And yeah, I don't know. I look like a doctor, so yeah, that's what I look like with it on, with that one. So the next mask is a very, very cute one from Victoria's Secret, which is my other favorite mask, which is by Pink. So I'm gonna put it on so you guys can see it. It's so cute. I love it. It's like, yes. I'm wearing a pink Victoria's Secret, bitch. No, just kidding. I'm wearing a pink mask. It's black. It has like white detailing, letters, says pink on it. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. So cute. So cute. So cute. Yeah. So that's a black one, which goes with the, literally anything I wear, this goes with. It like, will like go with it. It literally goes. Sisters! Hi, sisters! I love James Charles. Yeah, I love James Charles. Hi, sisters! Yeah, I have a sister's mask. Yeah, this is another one of my favorite ones. And it's just so cute. So, so cute. Yeah, it's so, so cute. So I'm going to put it on. Yay. It says sisters. Hi, sisters. Yeah, so it says sisters on it. I love the word detailing. So cute. I have another one, so I have two of these. Just good. Then I have this star-spangled one. Yeah, I have a star-spangled banner one. I have a star-spangled banner one. Looks like this. It's so freaking cute. And it goes in like that. Yeah, I like this one too. It's cute. USA Pride. Yeah, this one is cute too. Okay. Now, this one I actually made, and I saw like a video thing on it, which I'll leave it down in the description box below, on how you can make a mask with just one sock, guys. One freaking sock. So there's the mask, the watermelon mask with the sock. It's so cute. So yeah, it's really easy, very easy. I will leave that video down below in the description box too. So yeah. She cute. Alrighty, guys, that is all of the masks I have in my cute collection, and I hope you guys like it. Leave it down below. Also, if you like it, let me know and comment down below too. What are your favorite masks? I want to know. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Woo! Don't forget to be you, be classy, be positive, love others, especially in this time, baby. It's really important. Be positive, and I'll hit you guys up in my next video. I will see you in my next video. Yes. Love you guys so much. Bye. Deuces.